Hey, I'm just getting on my break now. Where do you want to meet?
I don't know. What are you in the mood for?
There are a few places I like, but I know you're gonna want something with a vegetarian option.
Yeah, and something not too expensive. I'm trying to search for something for us nearby and a good halfway point for us to meet.
Oh wait, I totally forgot. We can use Witivio's newest feature, TeamsPro.
Yeah, but it's not going to give us the perfect solution. It's just going to give us the same thing if we were to search for it on the internet, no?
Actually, this is better than us searching because it'll give me restaurants recommended that other people at our workplace go to, and I can also use TeamsPro to calculate the distance between multiple locations to help us find the perfect place to meet in the middle.
Oh wow, that's so cool. Can you try looking for some place that'll do a green juice and a kale salad with gluten-free bread? Ooh, or we could go for Chipotle or McDonald's or stop by a Starbucks.
We live in Paris, and you'd still rather go to a Starbucks than sit in a real Parisian cafe.
I'll tell you this, if you can find a cute Parisian cafe nearby with a vegetarian menu on TeamsPro, I'll meet you there.
Done.